Hi everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas for different chapters, and also we are going to discuss about how to improve the learning process of students with a very interesting and fun atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about a lesson called My Silly Sister. It is from NCERT board, subject EVS class 3. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called Words to Weave a Story. So what is the objective of this innovative idea, Words to Weave a Story? The main objectives are to develop the students' comprehension skills, to develop the students' vocabulary skills, and also to teach the students how to frame a sentence in English. So these are the objectives of this innovative idea, Words to Weave a Story. So how we are going to implement this? We are going to implement this innovative idea with the help of an activity. For this activity, the resources needed are chit papers, chart paper and sketches. Before implementing this innovative idea, we should warm up the students with the help of some probing questions. Probing questions in the sense, we can ask the students, with whom do you share your problems? The possible responses will be, I will share with my mother, I will share with my father, with my brother, and so on. Now you ask, what type of problems do you share? The students will be replying, about my sister's fight, about my brother's fight, and so on. And finally, you tell the students in the classroom that there is a boy like you all who always complains about her sister to his mother. So in this way, you just warm up the students in order to make them to concentrate in studies. And now we can start the activity. In each and every chit paper, the teacher will be writing a vocabulary which is from the chapter My Silly Sister. And in the chart paper, the teacher will write n number of sentences, that is more than 10 sentences, that is also from the chapter My Silly Sister. Now the collection of papers, chit papers, will be kept in a box in front of the students. The teacher will ask the students to come one by one to pick a chit from the box. The first student will come and he will pick a chit from the box. By understanding the vocabulary from the chart paper, he should find the sentence in which sentence that particular vocabulary is mentioned. In which sentence that particular vocabulary is mentioned in the chart paper. If he finds correct, he will be rewarded by the teacher. If he is incorrect, the chance will goes to the next student. So in this way, the teacher continues the activity. The next students will be coming. He will be picking a chit of paper by understanding the vocabulary. In the chart paper, he will be finding the sentence in which sentence that particular vocabulary is mentioned. So in this way, the activity goes on. This is the implementation process. And now, about the learning outcomes. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, Words to Weave a Story? The learning outcomes are the students able to develop their comprehension skills, the students able to develop their vocabulary skills, and also the student able to frame a sentence in English. So, these are the learning outcomes of the innovative idea Words to View a Story. If you like this video, please like and share. Also, please subscribe the Sri Aurobindo Society YouTube channel ZIIEI. That's all about it. Thank you. Thanks for watching this.